That smells amazing. Oh, that's different altogether. Look, I've literally just started. You see that? Oh, how much do I want to put that in a glass with a bit of tonic and some ice? Why, hello. So today I've borrowed this Dodge Challenger 6.1 litre Hemi V8, 400 and something horsepower for my son's prom, and it's filthy dirty. So I'm going to give it a clean, and then we're going to try some Wax is Dead ceramic foam. You put this in the snow foam lance once your car's cleaned, and I think still wet. Spray it all over, rinse it off, dry it, and then it's protected. So this is how she's looking at the minute with some bird poo on it, and doesn't look like there's much protection on there. And then this has got some sort of spots on it. Over here is what it should look like if it's got proper protection on it. This is my Boxster, and this has got a lovely nice round beads, which means that as soon as you start driving, all that's just going to sheet off. You blow that with an airline, all that water just comes straight off. So as soon as you start driving, that'll be dry. Whereas this, on the other hand, is not doing a great deal. So let's give it a snow foam and a contact wash, get it all nice and clean, and then do the ceramic foam. This is a workout. The car's gigantic, and now the sun's come out, I'm rushing. Man, I am cooking, but this beast is clean. Now it's clean, there's actually even less beading than was before. See, this is all sheeted up, that's all sheeted up, and if I give it the jet wash, that just kind of just stays wet. There's no beading at all. There's a little bit, in fact a decent amount on the glass, so I don't know if someone's done some like fast glass or Rain-X or something like that on there. So that's actually pretty good, but hopefully that's what we're going to get the paintwork doing as well. Right, welcome to Wash Bay Corner. So what you're supposed to do is put it in a snow foam lance. Thankfully I've got two. I guess that's the only downside. If you've got a load of stuff in here, you need either another snow foam, or you could empty all of that into just like a jug or something, use it up with the ceramic foam, and then pour your snow foam, normal snow foam wash solution back in the bottle. I've got this, which is a little bit of water in there. It says you can mix it up to 5:1, but I think 3:1 is best. So I'm going to kind of half fill that, because about half of one of those should easily do the whole car. So then, this is where the science comes involved. Let's go, whatever that is. And then have a bit of, oh, that smells amazing. Oh, how much do I want to put that in a glass with a bit of tonic and some ice? Right, I'm going to give it a good, it's very technical. We've gone for that much. I don't know. It's definitely more than 1 to 5. It's probably not quite 1 to 3. I'm sure that'll be fine. There's a bit of water on the car as well. In fact, I might just wet the car down as well. It doesn't say you have to dry the car. No. Spray onto the car, ensuring all exterior surfaces are covered. Right, quick release. That in there. Ooh. Ooh, there we go. Right. let's go and cover it. There you go, that's doing its thing. I think I've put that on pretty thick, and I've probably used, this was half full, and I've probably used a quarter of that, so there's probably enough in there, and that's a big car as well, so there's probably enough in there to do maybe another car. So I'm going to let that dwell for a couple of minutes, jet wash it off, see if we've got some beading going on.
5 minutes later.
Most important thing now the sun's come out is not to let it dry on the car. Right, let's rinse. Now, I don't know if I've messed it up, but some bits of the car seem all right and some bits don't seem all right. So I don't know if I haven't done it strong enough. This bit's beading up quite well. This bit is not beading up that well at all. That's not beading up well at all. I don't know. I'm going to mix it up again a little bit stronger because I don't think I'll put enough in. And then we're going to have another go. Right, I've mixed up another batch and read the instructions again, and it said shake the bottle well before use. So I stood there shaking the bottle for ages, then added it in here, and then added a bit of water. So I've got a slightly stronger solution, and I've actually shaken the bottle because I'm a man, I don't read the instructions. Let's have another go. Right, I don't know if you can see that, I've literally just stopped snow foam in it and it's pretty much just running straight off. So I don't know if that's because there was already a bit of protection on there from the snow foam. My dad's come to investigate, he hasn't seen the car yet. And then it's literally just running straight off. So I don't know if it's because I'll put a thicker lot on. This side's the same. Yeah, look, and this is all now reacting with the paint and it's all kind of beading up. Right, let's jet wash it quick. I'll say jet wash it quick, it's pretty much like most of it's started to come off already. Right, let's give it a jet wash before it dries. Yeah. Oh, that's different altogether. Look, I've literally just started. Look, that's different altogether. Watch. You see that? Okay. That's different altogether, look. That is not holding water at all. Right, let's finish jet washing this properly and then see the final results. Right, that's different altogether. Look, that is beading up, lovely. Even the back of it wasn't beading at all. It was just a one big sheet of water. Now, can't even keep water on there. Look, that. Gone. Gone. The only bit that hasn't done that well was the bonnet. It does go eventually, but I've got a bit left in the snow cannon. This side's better, still not amazing. So I'm going to snow foam the bonnet again and then dry the whole car, because that's what you're supposed to do, and then go and have a cup of tea. So there you go. Second time around, it worked. The first time it didn't really work at all. Mainly, I think, user error. So I shook the bottle the second time and made it slightly stronger. I think it's because I shook the bottle. Literally, number one says, before application, recommend to clean the vehicle thoroughly. Number 2 is shake waxes dead ceramic foam well before use. So you see where it goes all like foamy and bright pink. Look at that. It's just making me want a bit of pink gin. Literally just give it a real good shake. I don't know if it's because it separates in here or something, like the active ingredients in here sink to the bottom or whatever. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, clearly, because I'd mess this up. But yeah, give it a real good shake, mix it up strong enough, get it on your car. And as with all these things, it's like a ceramic sealant. So if the water's beading up, it means that dirty water also isn't sticking to your car. Your car will stay cleaner for longer. And as you can see it glistening in the sunshine, it also adds a layer of kind of wax and protection on it as well, makes it look lovely. As always, guys, like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, because in most of them I know what I'm doing. And I'll see you on the next one. Right, bonus clip with the snow foam that was left in there. I did the bonnet again, and it's different altogether. Done. See, that's dry. That is literally dry. Clever stuff.